Hi folks, welcome to the channel, welcome to Guardamar, Spain. I found a seat, very rare in Guardamar, but I found a great wee place for a seat to do this. Right, now, today's a bit special. In a few minutes, I'm about to head to a small town called Agost. Not a very attractive place, I may say, but I'm going to meet somebody. And then I'm going to go and do something that I've wanted to do for a really long time. But at this moment, I'm fairly nervous. This something that I'm going to do involves heights, and as some of you know, I'm not great with heights, right? But I'm also really excited. This is something, I've thought about this before, this is something that if I really enjoy it, I may take it up as a hobby. I've looked this stuff up for several years, the equipment, how to do it, all that sort of stuff, and just never, typically me up until now, I'd never done anything about it. It can be done almost anywhere. It's relatively inexpensive once you've got the initial outlay out of the way, which is buying the equipment, doing a training course, getting a license, you have to get a license, but that's in the future. Today, the person I'm going to meet is called Diago. I'm going to be in his, hopefully capable hands, because my life is going to be in his hands. Now, there is a reason why I've decided to do this now. It costs, I'm in a budget and I can't just splash the money around too much, but things have changed a bit. I'll explain more on the way there. So from a nervous and very excited Irishman, onward and upward.
Moments later.
Oh, and I should have said, this has been arranged several times since last week, and it's had to be cancelled every time because of the wind. It's a pretty good clue. Right, yeah, onward and upward. I never thought I would reach 1,000 subscribers. Never. But I always had in the back of my head, if it did, which would mean the channel is starting to earn a little bit of money, I would use those earnings for the channel, to improve the channel, to do things I otherwise wouldn't have been doing. And one of those things is actually 10 things. I have a bucket list, and I've had this bucket list for 3 or 4 years now, and I've never done anything about it. But now I'm going to, over a period of as long as it takes, use that money to work my way through my bucket list. Now, you earn money really, really slowly, especially at the start on YouTube. You wouldn't believe it. Like, for every 1,000 views, 1,000 views, at the moment, I get something like €2. But it started, you know, started now, and as it grows, it can only get better. The earnings can only grow slowly, but they're going to grow, right? So that's the plan. What do you think? Let me know. I don't even know if having a bucket list is a good idea for the video, or would people be interested? Like, I'll probably know better after this one today. Right, now, I obviously haven't earned much money from the YouTube channel yet. In fact, although it's starting to go up, it's starting to accumulate, I haven't earned any. But I've decided on this one occasion, to hell with a budget, just this once, that I'm going to do this one item off the bucket list. I've booked it, and I'm on my way there now, and I'm petrified. I had the list up there, I'll put it up again. Which one do you think it is? Not that it matters, because you're going to see soon enough. Yeah. Oh, and I want to thank 3 of my subscribers: Alan Wales, Harry Kerwan, and King Charles III. That's his YouTube name. Obviously, I don't think it's the real king. Could be. It's not. No, he's an Irishman. Right? I want to thank them for their super thanks gifts. And that money, I'm using it today, it'll be going towards this. So already we're putting that side of the plan into action. And by the way, super thanks is a link that's added to just under the video. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers, you get into a thing called the partner YouTube partner program, and there's a few benefits coming along, and one of them is this link where people who follow your channel, people who want to support your channel, can if they want. Alright, so I'm going to be there shortly. See you there. Just got a text from them. I have to meet them somewhere else. I'm not meeting in the town, so I'm hoping we're going to drive straight to the location, which could be in mountains, you know, depending on what I'm going to do.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
I'm on the cheap sunglasses, not taking any risks.
Is it done? Oh, the good times just
I feel a wee bit like, you know, a kid about to get out of bed on Christmas morning to go down and look at the presents, but knowing that the main present is a fully grown Rottweiler. Does that make sense? Ah!
call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
If I remember, I'm going to go into that spar on the way back, see what it's like. Haven't seen a big spar like that.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through.
Hello, Diego.
Hola, Steve, no?
Steve, yep.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm frightened.
You have fear?
Little bit. Excitement.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us
Why am I always going up hills?
finally right.
All the good stuff must happen up high.
Future is bright.
Right. For anyone who hasn't worked it out yet, we're going paragliding.
Got it all.
And there seem to be a lot of people here who are paragliding.
Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Unbelievable. This place is spectacular. Diego handed me a parachute. He said, "That's your one." And I thought he was joking, then he brought one out. Thankfully the two bags is because one has equipment in it and the other one has the parachute in it. Have to wait for the winds to be right. Obviously there's other people first. So light, far lighter than it looks. When you think of all the trouble the Wright brothers went to, all you need to do is get a big parachute. They're going to land. I'm going to watch them because I'm going to be doing it shortly. It wasn't too bad. Ta-da! Every time I hear someone speaking English, I'm over like a shot talking to them. And I'd love to film it, but I'm still not cheeky enough.
12 seconds later.
Something's making me think about Del Boy.
¿Qué tal? Your body has to be this direction, okay?
Okay.
This direction. I help you. Don't worry.
A few moments later.
Fantastic! Yeehaw! That's a castle. Alicante Castle.
Yeah. See?
Yeah. I thought I would have been more frightened. No fear.
Fear?
No fear. Pretty good. Yes, yes. 40, 50 kilometers, and it feels like you're going really slow or really easy.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón.
Spectacular.
Pago por el show.
I hope the views are coming out in the camera, because it's just, oh, the cliff edges, and when you see another one below you, another paraglider, oh, it's just fantastic.
Yo no dudo mi power.
I wonder what I'm going to have for dinner tonight.
Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
Diago, that's fantastic.
Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin y después fumo un cabo del cigarette.
This is the beginning.
En la ciudad a llegar.
That was the beginner.
Voy a vivir porque si yo no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. Los menos los arranqué. Me siento feliz.
We're going to land below, beside my car, and then I drive back up to get Diago's car.
Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar.
The feeling whenever we're going down quite quickly is, you know, when you were a kid in the car and you went over the humps, you got the wee tickle in your stomach.
Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
I'm alright.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It went, just as my feet hit the ground, it went forward.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Did you like?
Diago, that was amazing. Absolutely. Honestly. Amazing, Diago.
Me alegro mucho.
Oh, fantastic.
The camera.
Oh, camera. That was fantastic. Thank you. Oh,
Thank you.
time of life. Thank you very much.
Repetiremos. Do you repeat?
Oh yeah. Oh my, that was amazing. Just amazing. I knew it was going to be good, but I didn't know it was going to be that good. And was I lucky? That fella was just brilliant. I've been here now 2 hours, and I can just imagine doing it on your own. There was another guy there, a young fella, and he's a beginner, but he's on his own, and he was doing big loops and all sorts, and it just looks wonderful. So there you go, one thing done off my bucket list. I wonder what will be next. Take away. There were wee moments of fear. You're gliding and it's all nice, but when you look straight down, you realise how high you are up and your feet are dangling. Like if you fell, you're a goner. There's no doubt about that. But absolutely fantastic. Very exciting thing to do. Thoroughly enjoyed that, and I have remembered about the Spar shop, so I'm going to go there. So I'm going to leave it off at that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, very important. subscribe would be great. Love to hear your comments. I hope you comment on this one. But until next time, bye for now.
Nada me rompe.